Hi, this is Al from Dynoflash Videos, and I'm very excited about my Porsche Turbo S 991 to join my stablemate 997 Turbo that I hardly drive because I'm just too afraid to take it anywhere. So you know what? I want to use this car every day, and because I want to use it every day, I want to take it out in the elements. I want to put paint protection film on it. Here we are putting some new tires on it to give it some all-weather capabilities, and here it is, getting all the parts taken off of it. And one of the best things about buying the car from a Porsche authorized dealer, Manhattan Motor Cars, is that they have Porsche certified technicians to actually take the parts off to do the paint protection film installation, which is very important, so they can tuck that paint protection film in all the seams so you don't collect dirt and dust inside the edge of the paint protection film. I'm really happy about how they're doing everything. It's looking great. Here it is with all the parts removed, and the car now they're doing the paint correction underneath the film, and they've neatly organized all the parts they're taking off the car. So we're getting ready to install the paint protection film. This is Al. I'm down at Manhattan Motor Cars, where they have a lot of serious cars. There it is, Manhattan Motor Cars, with the team of the Ceramic Pro. They're working on Ceramic Pro on here, and window tint, and also you do window tint, right?
Yeah, they do window tint.
Introduce yourself, by the way. Say hello.
Hey, I'm Lewis, work at Manhattan Motors, and we do the clear film stuff.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All the upgrades here.
So it may look like a little crazy what you've done to my car, like it's totally, all the pieces over here, like totally off the car. It's a new car to me, and it's totally apart. So maybe can you explain why all the parts are off the car? For my followers, because they don't probably understand.
We take the parts off, so that way you can tuck the material in, so there's no seams on the car. You know, so what you're selling is basically an invisible product. So you want to make it look like it's actually invisible by having no seams. Everything gets tucked in. You know, even where the gas cap goes, we roll that in, and you know, we take everything that we could take off in order to do that.
So far over here, you've polished this section of the paint.
Correct.
It looks like brand new, basically brand new.
Yep. And you want to make sure that the paint is in great condition before you install your clear film on it, because it'll defeat the purpose if it's, you know, scratched up or anything like that.
And this is for a fanatic like me. If you want to keep your car looking 100%.
This is where you get it done, only here.
If somebody tries to key your car or scratches against you in the parking lot, this will protect your paint.
Yep.
Rock chips. Now check it out. This car has only 8,000 miles from original, right? And it was basically like almost brand new, but you can see all these little pimples on the car. All these spots are from rock chips. And the car had only 8,000 miles, so you can imagine if the car had, there's a lot of them, right? There's got to be at least 20 of them, no?
Oh yeah, maybe even more. The little pecks.
All over the place. So all that's where you're actually touching up the paint, and then we're gonna wet sand it and make it look like new before you put the film on, right?
Which should have been done when the car was first,
it should have been done when the car was first originally brand new.
That's the, you know, the upper hand when you buy the car at the dealer. Get everything done before you take it outside, because once it's outside, you can go down the block and you'll get a rock chip. Okay?
And this over here, this is where I had my little love dent over here, where the dent doctor came in and took the dent out. You can't even see it now. It picked up a little dent somehow, but the dent is completely gone. You can't even see it. Well, I'm enjoying my experience at Manhattan Motor Cars. I'm very happy.
You're behind the scenes here.
Yeah, behind the scenes. You guys have one right there. You're doing, is that a front clip on it?
Yeah, it's getting front nose clip on.
Brand new car.
Uh-huh.
That's a beautiful car. The GTS is supposed to be one of the nicest ones. It makes 450 horsepower, right? Is that right? Right, is that right, Shimon?
That's correct.
450 horsepower. So it's basically like the old 997 turbo.
If you think about it, Alan, it makes just as much power as the supercar of us growing up. The 959 had 450 horse still.
Right, and it's like a daily car you can drive every day and enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, that's a nice 997 you got over there.
So, Alan, the story with that car?
Yeah. Let's check that out.
My customer, my
That's a hot car.
customer from my Ford days had it. He traded in for a 458 Spider to the Ferrari dealership I was at. Then I sold it to another customer that followed me from Ford, and we just bought it here.
This is a Turbo S.
It's a 2012 Turbo S, which is very rare for 2012.
This is a gorgeous car. No? Gorgeous, no?
43,000 miles.
Wow, that's a beautiful car. I see you're asking only 97 for this, no?
$97 for this.
That's a bargain, no?
Yep. It's mint.
That's beautiful. It looks just like my car.
This car just got serviced at Jack Daniel's Porsche 2.5 months ago. They put brand new tires all the way around. Anyone subscribing to Dynoflash, this is a Dynoflash discount special day. This weekend, I'll let this go for $96,995.
Wow, that's a beautiful car. Wow, that's just like mine. You have the real machine.
Yep.
With the series transmission and the series brakes.
Yep. PDK, ceramic brakes.
Wow, that's a gorgeous car. That's a beauty. That's like a museum piece. Or you go for the little hybrid beast next to it, right?
918 Spider.
That's a nice machine. Is that one for sale too?
No, my boss has three of them here.
He has
and
three.
He's never gonna sell.
He has three. I didn't know that. I thought it was only one.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Well, let's just take a quick look again at the film process, and then we'll get out of here. I'll let you get back to selling cars.
You know what?
So what's going on? You're installing the film here on the fender?
Yep. So
That's
we're
beautiful.
rolling it in here.
A brand new
It's
car.
just dirty right here. Well, we just gotta wipe it all down.
Brand
This
new
is all
car.
done. Bringing it to the edge.
So this way he'll never have those stupid film strips like I have in my car.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
The
Thank
hood.
you. Thank you, brother. Thanks for all your help. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Thank you.